Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create GIFs on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com, or you can go of course and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the, as you can see, projects, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and we have the workspace here. In the top right corner, we have all your settings and everything, and the new project button here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create GIFs on Descript. So first of all, launch Descript and create a new project. Then drag and drop the video. So basically you can go click new project, click video. Then drag and drop the video or image you want to turn into a GIF into the project. You can also use Descript's built-in stock library. Use the timeline editor to trim, rearrange, and add effects to your media. Since GIFs don't contain audio, you can add text or captions if needed. Click on the aspect ratio and video settings icon in the canvas to choose your GIF dimensions, portrait, landscape, square, or custom. And then go to publish, export, and select GIF as the export format. Adjust the quality, resolution, and frame rate as needed. Once your GIF is ready, download it and share it on social media, websites, or messaging platforms. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.